latest updates. What's new in version to 8.8.3. Try brand new creative effects to make your videos stand out. Product description: Tik is the destination for mobile videos. On TikTok, short-form videos are exciting, spontaneous, and genuine. Whether you're a sports fanatic, a pet enthusiast, or just looking for a laugh, there's something for everyone on TikTok. All you have to do is watch. Engage with what you like, skip what you don't, and you'll find an endless stream of short videos that feel personalized just for you. From your morning coffee to your afternoon errands, TikTok has the videos that are guaranteed to make your day. We make it easy for you to discover and create your own original videos by providing easy-to-use tools to view and capture your daily moments. Take your videos to the next level with special effects, filters, music, and more. Watch endless amount of videos customized specifically for you, a personalized video feed based on what you watch, like, and share. TikTok offers you real, interesting, and fun videos that will make your day. Explore videos just one scroll away. Watch all types of videos, from comedy, gaming, DIY, food, sports, memes, and pets to oddly satisfying ASMR and everything in between. Pause recording multiple times in one video. Pause and resume your video with just a tap. Shoot as many times as you need. Be entertained and inspired. Be a global community of creators. Millions of creators are on TikTok showcasing their incredible skills and everyday life. Let yourself be inspired. Add your favorite music or sound to your videos for free. Easily edit your videos with millions of free music clips and sounds. We curate music and sound playlist for you with hottest tracks in every genre, including hip-hop, EDM, pop, rock, rap, and country. Express yourself with creative effects. Unlock tons of filters, effects, and objects to take your videos to the next level. Edit your own videos. Our integrated editing tools allow you to easily trim, cut, merge, and duplicate video clips without leaving the app. Technical details. Access course, e.g. cell ID, Wi-Fi location. Access information about networks. Access information about Wi-Fi networks. Bluetooth_connect record to be able to access camera device. Change network connectivity. Enter Wi-Fi multicast mode. Access the flashlight. Foreground_service. Get information about the currently or recently running tasks. A thumbnail. Representation of the tasks, what activities are running in it, etc. Open network sockets. Modify global audio settings. Red_app_badge. Read the user's calendar data. Read the user's contacts data. Read from external storage. Get notified that the operating system has finished booting. Record audio. Change the Z order of task. Schedule _exact_alarm. Set the wallpaper. Open Windows using the type_system_alert shown on top of all other applications. Update_app_badge. Access the vibration fetcher. Power wake locks to keep processor from sleeping or screen from dimming. Write but not read the users. Calendar data write to external storage. Allows installation of home screen shortcuts. Allows an application to redivus settings. Receive message via Amazon. Device com.google.android.providers.gsf.permission.read_g services. Minimum operating system. Android 5.0. Approximate download time. More than 5 minutes. Thank you for subscribing YouTube channel.